Today we are learning to think and act like artists. We are taking our Pablo Picasso portrait sketch and transferring it to a styrofoam printmaking plate, like this one. When the printmaking plate is finished, we will be able to pull prints using the brayer, ink, and metal tray. To make the styrofoam printmaking plate, you will need a sketch, a ballpoint pen, and a sheet of styrofoam with 2 pieces of tape on the back. If you did not make a sketch, don't worry. Watch these directions anyway, and we will get you caught up later. First, align your sketch on top of the styrofoam and tape it down. It should be able to open and close like a book. Do that now and then stop. Now, trace your sketch with a ballpoint pen. Press very hard while you trace. Pressing will create grooves in the styrofoam. You want the grooves to be deep. The ballpoint pen works well for this because the tip of it is metal, which helps push in the grooves. Sometimes if you listen carefully, you can hear the metal tip of the pen ripping through the paper. If you get a hole in your paper, like this, don't worry. Sometimes that happens. Just keep on tracing. You can check your progress by opening your page like a book, and you'll be able to see grooves in your styrofoam. You want the grooves to be deep. So let's start tracing. Trace the entire sketch and press hard. Do that now and then stop. When you've traced everything, our next step is to press the grooves in deeper. Draw it directly into the grooves and press hard. You'll be able to see your Pablo Picasso portrait better because the blue or black ink from the pen will make the grooves show up. It might look like this one when it's done. Trace every groove with the pen and press hard. Do that now and then stop. Pablo Picasso often used texture and pattern in his artwork, like in this area on the wall and in the clothing on this example. For a finishing touch, draw a texture or pattern in the large empty spaces on your styrofoam. It might look like this, or this, or this when it's done. Make sure that your pattern fills in all of the empty space. Don't just do a little bit and then stop. We need to fill the space. You can try wavy lines, swirls, diagonal lines, circles, cross-hatching, or even invent your own pattern. When you're done, turn it over and lightly write your name on the back. You don't have to press hard for your name. Now, let's add some patterns. Do that now and then stop.